mustache.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
What's up, guys? We're gonna go pick up Justin's Supra Alon at High Boost. Just redid the wiring and he did like some sick stuff. So pretty excited. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna do some tests.
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome. This is the wiring that was in there before. Careful who you pay, kids. Careful.
Over here in the harness already. So if you do stand alone, it's already pinned in the ECU boost. It doesn't matter connecting the boost solenoid. And that's it. So you don't have to worry about.
Nice. I love how quiet it is, but when you get on it, it sounds good. Idle's great.
Things I suggest idle valve, clean it some. When we took it off, we put this thing out for dirty right now.
This thing is sick. Look at that. Wow. That's massive. You can see he did a great job on the harness. The wiring looks beautiful. Look at how his loom looks.
Yeah, but let's see the motor. You don't disconnect it from the inside.
High boost. Let's hear it. It's been a while. Woo! That thing's... Oh my God! Woo! I'm so jealous. Oh my God! I'm so jealous. This thing sounds amazing. You're right. No smoke. That good wiring right there.
When I started,
so if you need any wiring, don't forget to hit up Alan at High Boost. I'm gonna put his Instagram right there on the top left.
yeah, we used to.
You need to check him out. He does everything. All kinds of professional stuff. You saw the wiring in the Supra. It's amazing professional work. He's not sponsoring this in any way. We're just like, this is a good, hard-working man, and he does good wiring. I'm bringing him my G when it gets 2J. I'm excited to show that when it comes to that time. But for now, this is the man to come to. Come on. So good. Oh my God. How'd it do?
It's having boost cutouts.
Just a little boost cut?
Yeah.
Too much boost?
Yeah.
It sounded sick though. It's just, it really sounded like air passing by, like shoo! So Justin, you're excited to drive the Supra now?
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
So now it sounds great, it runs great. We have to figure out how to get it to run 18 pounds constantly, or we might turn down the boost to 15 for now. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on what the Supra is doing, what Justin's doing with it, and we're gonna do like a cool video shoot with it of it, you know, do some pulls and just nice shots of the accent of what is the Supra that everybody loves. And I'm excited to share that with you guys.
Comment below if you think the new Supra is gonna sell better than the old one.
That's smart.
Which we all know it's a BMW.
It's a BMW.
Supra,
I don't even know, but it's so low horsepower. But would you buy one? Let me know. See you guys next time.